Okay guys, we're going to try a failure out today. This is my ugliest lure I've done. Started as a good idea, but then as I had, to clear coat it, I dipped it in KBS, and you can still see it, it bubbled pretty bad. So I tried sanding it down, I tried fixing it. It just did not want to come out bubble free. You can see bubbles along here. So it does have a rattle in it. So basically these are two glass mirrors in there, and there's a hole in between. So we'll give it a shot. We'll see if the fish like it before I totally toss it in the bin, or if we lose it at the bottom of the lake, it's fine too. Got one. Little pike. About 20 inches. Losing one lure, ended up with us finding a different one. This is a Flickershad. It's just missing an eye, and probably be a future video. I'll go ahead and fish with him, see if we can catch something. Also got this little jig here, and this I think this is a bottom bouncer. Never used one of these.
Come on! Fly! Fly, you fat fuck! Both of our lives depend on it! Fly! No!